In this video we will discuss the scientific name of birds, their family and location. Name: Somali Ostrich. Scientific name: Struthio. Family: Struthonidae. Location: Ethiopia, Djibouti, Kenya, Somalia. Next. Name: Southern Cassowary. Scientific name: Cassowarius. Family: Cassowariidae. Location: New Guinea and Australia. Next. Name: Greater Rhea. Scientific name: Rhea americana. Family: Rhidae. Location: Brazil, Bolivia, Argentina, Paraguay and Uruguay. Next. Name: Turkey. Scientific name: Melligris gallopovo-domesticus. Family: Phasianidae. Location: all over world. Next. Name: Chatham Albatross. Scientific name: Thales sark eremita. Family: Diomedeidae. Location: New Zealand. Next. Name: Christmas Frigatebird. Scientific name: Frigata andrewsi. Family: Frigatidae. Location: Australia, Jakarta, Indonesia. Next. Name: Neotropic Cormorant. Scientific name: Nanopterum brasilianum. Family: Phalacrocoracidae. Location: United States, Mexico, Bahamas, Cuba. Next. Name: New Zealand King Shag. Scientific name: Leucocarbocarunculatus. Family: Phalacrocoracidae. Location: New Zealand. Next. Name: Lesser Flamingo. Scientific name: Phoeniconiae minor. Family: Phoenicopteridae. Location: Saharan Africa and India. Next. Name: Snow Goose. Scientific name: Ansis cerulescens. Family: Annatidae. Location: Greenland, Canada, Alaska. If you want to get more videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon to get our new videos. Thanks for watching.